This question is from percentages. Let's see how to solve this. Here we are given an equation and we need to find what percentage of m is n. Okay, what percentage of m is n? That means we need to find out n upon m times 100. We need to find this to answer this question, correct? Let's find this. So what we can do, we can rewrite this given equation in a different way. Let's rewrite it. We can write it as m upon 100 times m plus n upon 100 times n. This is equals to 2 upon 100 times m times n, correct? Or we can simply write it as mn. Now we can see that 100 is common on both the sides, so we can cancel out these hundreds, yes, by taking LCM on the left hand side. Now once we cancel out hundreds, we will get m square plus n square is equals to 2mn, correct? Now let's bring this 2mn on the left hand side. We will get m square minus 2mn plus n square equals to 0. Now we will be using one algebraic identity. That identity says that a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. We will be using this identity. So if we use this identity, what we will get? We will get m minus n whole square equals to 0. Now if we get m minus n whole square equals to 0, that means m is equals to n, correct? Please keep this in mind. So what do we need to answer? We need to answer this n upon m times 100. So what we will get? N upon m times 100 will turn out to be 100%. This will turn out to be 100%. Why? Because m and n are equal to each other, so they will get cancelled and we will get 100%. So 100% will be our final answer. What percent of m is n? That is 100%. Yes.